what we do for lunch, guys. This is my lunch. Actually, brunch now. So this is my brunch. Yummy. I think different people making it. I always fancy with quiche because I love eggs, especially those organics eggs. And then we're gonna partner this with halloumi cheese, pumpkin, nice some arugula here, some spinach, some tomato, organic salads, and butter cheese. What's this hard one? I think this is asparagus. Kind of half-boiled. Masarap. Some apple. Some pumpkin. Nice combination. And the dressing is amazing. They really make food that lasts and make you full. From organic shop. Amazing. Thank you, Lord, for the food. Or in Japanese, it says itadakimasu. Snow peas. Crunches. Nice small tomato. Very nice, juicy and sweet, you know. Because I grow it. Mouth-watering. It's it po. Masarap. Very satisfying. I hope you enjoyed the show of mukbang, guys. Very nice. Yummy. Halloumi cheese and quiche. Yum.